Hi everyone! It is time for my October, can you believe it? October Project Pan update. So I'm actually really excited to share my Project Pan update this month because I got an idea from another YouTuber I was watching that she weighs her products each month when she's doing Project Pan. So I have a gram scale here. It's just a regular like postal scale you can get from an office store or online. It weighs in either grams or ounces up to kilograms and pounds. I have it for my animals anyway. I weigh all of my animals to check on their health. So when I'm talking about my eyeshadow and lipstick for Project Pan, now I'm going to include a weight. And even if you can't see a big difference, we can weigh it and see if there's progress, right? That's great. Cool. I'm so happy we came into that. I can't remember who it was, but if I can, I will link it. So for those of you who aren't aware, Project Pan is a way to use up your makeup and challenge yourself for a whole year to either, like I said, use it up, or with eyeshadow, there's powders pressed very tightly into metal pans, and when you use the eyeshadow, it kicks it up and eventually you hit the pan below. So let's start with this eyeshadow. Last month I had a very tiny little pan in this one, and now it is a bigger pan. So I've definitely hit pan in that one, and as you can see, there's 3 up here, 1 here, and 3 down here. I worked so hard with this one to try to hit pan. I think that's what I'm going to hit next. However, I am really concerned because this middle row, some of how I've used this up is by using it as highlighter, or this brown, I used it as nose contour a few times. Dark purple, it doesn't look right as blush. I did try it as contour and it looked like I had a purple line on my face. So I kind of can only use it as eyeshadow unless someone out there can help me and help me figure out how to use this dark purple. These two look exactly the same. And it's too dark to like set my lids with. I might just have to set my lids with it anyway. I don't know. I'm confident I'm going to hit pan in this one that I've been using as a highlighter, and then this reddish purple one down here is pretty worn down. So I did weigh these when I came across the, weigh them method. I got so excited that I did weigh these earlier, but it wasn't at the beginning of September. However, on September 12th, this weighed 26 grams, and I did that with all the packaging. So I didn't, there's no way I can just weigh the lipstick that's in there. But I am going to measure it. So let's see. Sorry, that was boring. Okay, so measuring the lipstick, I had about 1/2 inch last month's update, and today there's 3/8 of an inch on here. On September 12th, I weighed this. That was around the time that I got the idea for the, not my idea, but got somebody else's idea for weighing the products. September 12th, it was 26 grams. So have the scale down here. Sorry, I only have one tripod, so I'm gonna get some footage of the scale, but zeroed it out to 0 grams. Let's see how much it weighs. 24 grams. All right, so I used up 2 grams of the lipstick, and the height of it shrunk. Major progress with this lipstick. As you know, it's been a hard thing. Obviously, I'm not gonna hit a pan in this, but I'm gonna try to use it up. By the way, okay, this is figuring it out as I go because I haven't incorporated this part of it yet, so sorry. Okay, so let's try the eyeshadow. Now, for some eyeshadow, it does tell you how many grams of product is in the pan. I can't weigh each individual pan, obviously, so I'm just gonna get the weight of the entire product. So for this one, it was 40 grams on September 18th. Let's see. It says 38. Now it's saying 40. Let's say 39. It's saying 38 sometimes, 39 other times. So, and it's only since September 18th that I weighed it, so it was only, I don't know, a couple weeks instead of the whole month's worth. It's still sitting on 38. Let's say 39 grams. And today is October 3rd. Cue the meme. Cool. So, I mean, powder weighs next to nothing. So it makes sense that this would be kind of harder to get the weight down. Again, I don't have a weight goal for this, but at least if there isn't a visual goal, I can give you a weighted goal and we can see together what's going on here. So in summary, lots of progress on this, but I've still got 3/8 of an inch to use. I have it on today, and you see how like it could pull red, no problem, but it's pink on the card, I think, or maybe coral. I don't know. Not doing a lipstick next year. You can check out my previous project pan updates. And progress on this. Now I have a new, way to measure it. So I'm going to be working hard on those two pans and trying desperately to figure something out with those dark purples. Let me know how your project pan is going. Thanks for watching this video. Sorry it was a little bit chaotic. I hope you can hear me. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye. And lipstick from Project Shade. I just realized that the pictures I took of the products, I didn't write down how much they weighed. So I've got to take my phone and go in and look at what the weights were. Okay, so I just had to check my phone for the weights that I had. And the height, length. Sorry, there's a ringtone going off.